Good morning, kindergarten friends. Today we're going to talk a little bit more about measuring and using a ruler. Last time we did it with kind of like a tape measure. This time we're going to do it with the ruler. So come along with me and let's get started. Here we go. Look at what I have. I have my ruler. And I know some of you might have been tuning in because Mrs. Rasmussen has been measuring her tulips or in her peonies that she has at her house. So we're going to do a little bit too of measuring. All right, now look at my ruler. I'll put it really close here. You can see that it has inches on one side. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. There's 12 inches in a ruler. Now, if you also flip it around on my ruler, it has centimeters, and centimeters are smaller than inches. You can see that because here there's 1, it goes all the way up. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Oops. 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. So there's 30 centimeters on my ruler, but only 12 inches. Usually we measure in inches, so that's what we're going to practice using today. So I want you to make sure that you have the inches side out. Okay? When we measure with a ruler, we always put it at the end where it starts at 0. Because look at my ruler. Here's the end of my ruler. Are there any numbers there? No. So I can't put it out here. So let's just try that with a sheet of paper. I have a sheet of paper. It's a star student. And it says a star student named Aaliyah. Okay, so here's my sheet of paper right here. When you're measuring, you can't just put it at the end of the ruler because you won't know how long it is. You have to make sure that you line it up with the 0. So I'm going to line that paper up with the 0 right there. And then I can be able to tell you about how many inches it is. Okay, so let's look really closely here. Do I have it lined up with the 0? Yep, I sure do. Okay, so let's look. Here's 1. So I know it's 1 inch, 2 inch, 3 inches. So this is about 3 inches long. Now I know it goes over, but it's about 3 inches long on my paper. Okay, my paper is about 3 inches long. Now let's try to measure my marker. Ooh, I've got my blue marker here that we're going to use, that we're going to measure. So would I put my marker all the way out here to the end? Nope, I don't, do I? I have to make sure that I started at 0. So I'm going to line him up as right there. He's on 0. Right there, he's on 0. And now I'm going to go all the way over and check it. What number is he closest to? Yeah, he's closest to 5. So he's about 5 inches long, isn't he? Now, when you look at the ruler, look here really closely. Do you see this line right here in between the 0 and the 1? That's a 1/2 inch, 1/2. So here we have my 1 inch. Here is an inch. This is an inch. So this line right here in between is 1/2. It's 1/2. Okay, so let's see what else we can find. I have a doll bed, a Barbie doll bed. Let's see about how long this Barbie doll bed is. Okay, I'm going to line it up. Do I line it up at the end? Nope, I have to make sure that I line it right up, right like that. It's on my 0. And you can see my Barbie doll bed is about how many inches? Yes, it's about 6 inches. Very good. Okay, I've got a few more things. Ooh, this will be fun. This is for the boys out there. I've got a Hot Wheels, the World Racing. It's a Legends video game. Okay, it's the container. Okay, so here we go. I'm going to put it on 0. I'm not going to put it all the way to the edge. No, 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 no. I have to put it on 0. Make sure I'm on 0. I'm going to line it up straight. Okay, I think I've got it. So there it is. It's lined up straight with my 0. Now I'm going to come over here. Oh, my goodness, look at that. It's halfway between the 7 and the 8. So how many inches would that be? Well, I know it's going to be 7 inches. And remember, we talked about this. This is a half. So it's going to be 7.5 inches. And to write, how I would write that is I would first write my whole number, which is 7. And then I would write 1/2. And we always have to label. So I'm going to put inches like this. 7.5 inches long is my Hot Wheels game. Okay, let's try one more. I had breakfast this morning, and I had Little Bites muffins. The package right there, you can see there's my muffin mix. Okay, so I'm going to line it up. Make sure you've got it on the 0. Okay, it's lined up, and I'm going to check it out. What do you think? It's about what? Yes, it's about 6. It's about 6 inches. And we always have to put about in this one because we're estimating. We're not telling me the exact number. It's about 6 inches. Okay, friends, I hoped that helped you learn how to use your ruler a little bit better. Today, I challenge you to go find things in your house and measure them. What can you find to measure? You saw what I measured. It can be anything. A book, a spoon, a board, a wrapper, a game, anything. Find what you can find and tell me what you measure. All right, until tomorrow. Bye.